Lysosomes and the role of lysosomes in the human body. Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles found in eukaryotic cells, which contain hydrolytic enzymes that can break down a wide variety of biomolecules, including proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, and carbohydrates. They are often referred to as the garbage disposal or recycling center of the cell because they play an essential role in degrading and recycling cellular waste, as well as in breaking down pathogens and other unwanted materials. The enzymes contained within lysosomes are acidic, and their optimal pH is around 5. The lysosomal membrane is impermeable to the enzymes, which prevents them from damaging other cellular components. The enzymes are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum and then transported to the Golgi apparatus for further processing and sorting, before being packaged into lysosomes. The role of lysosomes in the human body includes 1. Intracellular digestion. Lysosomes are responsible for breaking down and digesting cellular waste, damaged organelles, and other unwanted materials that accumulate within the cell. 2. Recycling of biomolecules. Lysosomes are involved in the process of autophagy, in which cellular components are broken down and their constituent molecules are recycled for reuse. 3. Defense against pathogens. Lysosomes are involved in the process of phagocytosis, in which cells such as macrophages engulf and digest pathogens such as bacteria and viruses. 4. Regulation of cell growth and development. Lysosomes play a role in regulating cell growth and differentiation by degrading certain signaling molecules and other regulatory proteins. 5. Storage of materials. Lysosomes can also store certain molecules and ions, such as amino acids and calcium ions, for later use by the cell. In summary, lysosomes are crucial organelles that play a vital role in the maintenance of cellular homeostasis and the overall health of the organism. Dysfunction of lysosomes has been associated with a range of diseases, including lysosomal storage disorders, neurodegenerative disorders, and cancer.